Hi, my name is Jack. Today I'm going to show you how to repack some bamboo fiber plates and bowls that is very fragile, which is already damaged before they reach to our warehouse. Okay, here is the box. If you open the box, you can see here. So the original package and the shrimp packed, but when they reached to our warehouse, the package already damaged, split. So you can see this. We have 4 cups, and we have 4 plates, and we have another 4 bigger plates, 4 knives, 4 forks, and 4 spoons. So it is a set. Because when they arrive at our warehouse, because this is already damaged, so we experienced a lot of damages for this product. I'm going to show you a few pieces. So this is how the plates got damaged, because the cups and they pressed on these plates, and then they caused damage like this. And also the bigger ones. It's also damaged. So after lots of tests, and then we find a solution to repack, because this is an eco-friendly product. So our customer doesn't want to packed with a lot of bubbles and the plastic things. So he wants it packed eco-friendly. So now I'm going to show you how we repack these sets. So my colleague Joe, he's working together with me. So now Joe is going to pack the. Joe, can you just pack the spoons and forks first? 你先拍这几个。对。So we make a team. So here I pack this. So we use one eco-friendly paper. It's called beehive paper. So we just wrap it. So you can see here. We just wrap it. We wrap it with this beehive paper 3 times. The second time, and now we pack it for the 3rd time. So this the small plates are already packed like this. So at the same time, my colleague Joe is packing the knives and the forks with another paper. And I just wrapped another set of the bigger plates with another thing. The same. So we just wrap it. First time, and then we wrap it again. Wrap for the 2nd time. And then we wrap it for the 3rd time. Then we close the wrap. Okay, now we put it in. We put it in like this. So I can just say here. We put it in like this. That's the bigger boats, and then we put the smaller boats like this. And Joe already pre-wrapped this the cups. We put 2 cups wrap once, and then we put another 2 cups. Wrap like this. Then we put the forks, because forks are easier to be broken. So we put the forks here, and then because another product in this is a cotton mesh bag, which is used to hold the picnic sets. So we fold it. And then we pack it here, and we pop the knife and the fork. We put it in. The knife and the fork we put in, and then we use some stuck paper to fill the empty spaces. To fill the empty spaces, we need to use 2. Don't forget, and we need to put in this. This is more silica gel, because this is some products inside, so this can absorb the moisture to keep it dry. We'll put it there. Okay, so this is how it looks. This is how it looks before we close this inner box. Oh, excuse me. Yes. And we have a thank you card. So this is from our customer, and this put in the last. So the inside is like this. Never close this. Okay. So now I handle this to my colleague Joe. So he will tip it. Why we need to tip it? Because this inner box, the original one is too weak. We already replace it. This one is strong, but unfortunately, when you drop it, and it can split. When we do this tape wrap, so it can prevent the box splitting. Yes, Joe is that's a close lid label. We can see here. So this is a big label to close here, and then we need to put on. This is the fragile product, so we put on the fragile label, and finally we put it's a product label. This is what we call FNSQU. We put this label. Okay. So let me show you here. So there's better light, so we go there. So we'll show you. So this is the final package. It's like this. Then we'll just put it in a box, in the cartons like this, and then ship to Amazon. After packed like this, and we can do a drop test. It's like this. We put it like a 1.4 or 1.5 meters high. Then we do a test like this. Ready? Okay. So we do one drop like that. We do another side drop. We do another side drop like this. We test the 6 sides like this, each side. Okay, so after the 6 drops, and now we open it, we're gonna see what's happening here. It's original in reality. So this will be put in a master carton. Then we do the drop test. This time we didn't put the master carton, so then I just want to see what's going on. is the thank you card. This, of course, I'm not worried. I'm worried is about the plates. Let me have a look. Ooh, hopefully it will not break. Wow, we passed. We passed the test. You see, these 4 plates. There's no damage, no brokerage for these four plates. Cups, I'm not worried because it's very strong, and I'm sure it's not damaged. Cups, I'm not worried. Now, actually, forks, I'm not worried. Spoons, not worried. This is the final thing. I'm worried about this big plate because it's heavy, and it can, when it drops, it can easily damage. Let's have a look. Hopefully, it passed because we already tested a lot of times. Whoa! You see this? It's perfect. It's perfect. There's no damage. No damage. No damage. No damage. No damage. So this is how we offer a solution for this type of products. We know there are a lot of improvements for next shipment, but I will share you later with that information. Thank you very much.